It's been a long time since I've managed to make a flying video. A lot has changed, both in my life and in the whole world. My home airport has moved from Nashua, New Hampshire to Allegheny County Airport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Meanwhile, right now outside, a novel virus has canceled all of our planned travel this spring, as well as heavily disrupting aviation in general. Right as our kids are reaching the age where trips were more practical, the virus has made them impractical again. On the other hand, I'm fortunate enough to have my own key hangar now, and I can fly without much human contact at all. So I've managed to fly enough just to keep my skills alive. I made this video at least partly to knock the rust off my video editing skills, as well as to accomplish the more mundane task of getting some fuel without human interaction. Enjoy.
Allegheny County Airport information, uniform 1850 Zulu weather, wind 260 at 17, gust 25, visibility 10, ceiling 7,000 overcast, temperature 18, 2.2, altimeter 29 at 904. ILS runway 28 approach and use, free back all hold short instructions. Nose airman. Taxiways Alpha 1 and Alpha 5, edge markings non-standard. Main terminal ramp boundary markings non-standard. Remote communication outlet frequency 122.4 out of service. Use cautions for the following unlit towers. 0.7 nautical miles west-southwest of the field, 1,339 feet MSL. 3.3 nautical miles northeast of the field, 1,351 feet MSL. 3.5 nautical miles north of the field, 1,663 feet MSL. As weather information, Pennsylvania area available on flight service frequency. Files under contact, give information, uniform.
Doors and windows are closed in locked fuel sectors. Both cowl flaps are open. Instruments have been checked. Transponder is set. Flaps are at 10 degrees. The props full forward. Controls checked and rechecked. On. Allegheny Tower, Cardinal 52667 is holding short 28 at Alpha. Be VFR to the south-southwest.
Cardinal 52667, Allegheny Tower, wind 270 at 11, runway 28, clear for takeoff, left turn out approved.
Clear for takeoff, left turn out approved, 667, thanks. Pictures, Rich.
My original plans for this trip had been to go to Greene County Airport in Waynesburg, Pennsylvania for self-service fuel and hopefully take advantage of some rainy conditions to shoot an approach back into Allegheny County. While I did experience some light VFR rain on the way to Greene County, it was gone by the time I returned. As you can see, it's raining here, but this hardly qualified as getting the wings wet. Either way, I was going to get self-service gas so I didn't have to be face-to-face with anyone and wear gloves. I carry gloves anyway for self-service fueling. Avgas isn't something you want to get on your hands, even without a virus raging.
Greene County traffic, Cardinal 52667, 3 miles to the north. We'll overfly the field, enter left downwind for 27 Greene County. Flaps 10, gear down. Greene County traffic, Cardinals maneuvering to enter a downwind for 27 Greene County. Passenger carriage, make sure you pop seatbelts, gears down. Got a wheel. Greene County, Cardinal turning base, 27 Greene County. Greene County, final 27.
500.
Greene County. Greene County traffic, Cardinal clear, runway 27, taxiing to the fuel pump. Greene County.
All right, let's go pump some fuel.
Here.
You can authorize gallons. It's authorized up to 50 gallons. Yes. 36¼ gallons. So I carefully carried a lot of extra power, thinking that maybe carried some extra speed and extra power, thinking it was going to be gusty. But actually, you know, that windsock is like about as limp as could be here, which is kind of surprising because up at Allegheny County it was gusting 25 knots. So, a little bit weird. Clear! This hot start reminded me that I wanted to make a video about hot starting fuel-injected engines. Subscribe to find out if I ever get around to it.
Green County traffic, Cardinal 667 takeoff, runway 9, straight out of departure. Our usable runway, let's get the gear up. Gear up. Flaps up.
The weather on the way back nixed any plans for an approach with actual IMC. The rain had moved way off to the north and gotten lighter. Unfortunately, right now I'm stuck seeking out mild IFR to shoot approaches and stay current since I really only want to share the cockpit with people from my household.
Allegheny County Airport information, Victor 1950 Zulu, weather, wind 290 at 7, visibility 10, fuel clouds at 5,000, ceiling 7,500 broken, temperature 16, dew point 4, altimeter 29901, ILS runway 28 approaching use. Notice the airman, taxiway Alpha 5 edge markings not standard, taxiway Alpha 1 edge markings not standard, main terminal ramp boundary markings not standard, Melcom outlet 122.4 out of service. Hazardous weather available on flight service frequencies. Read back all hold short instructions. Advised on initial contact. You have Victor. Allegheny County Airport information. Victor 1950 Zulu, weather. Wind 290 at 7. Visibility 10. Fuel clouds at 5,000. Ceiling 7,500 broken. Temperature 16. Dew point 4. Altimeter 29901. ILS.
Allegheny Tower, good afternoon, Cardinal 52667, about 10-15 miles to the southeast with Victor, landing.
The Cardinal 52667?
52667.
667, Roger. Identify for me, 42-mile final, runway 28, wind 2805, altimeter 29er, 89er.
29er, 89er, and 42-mile final for 28667.
667, say about 2.5 miles south-southeast of Intercounty.
Roger, 667, that sounds about right. Okay, we're bombing in. It's time to slow down. There's the runway up ahead. Join about a 2-mile.
667, runway 28, good to land, wind 2704.
Good to land, 28, Cardinal 52667. Flaps 10, gear down. 2 flaps 10 above the wide arc in this plane, which is pretty. Alright, with flaps 10, gear down, here we are, coming in. Winds were super gusty before, but they're all calmed out as the rain moved on. Passenger carriage, make sure you pop seatbelts. Flaps 20.
Oh, 667, what hang you parking at?
Hangar 1, 667.
667, left turn Alpha 3, taxi via Bravo to Hangar 1.
Left Alpha 3, taxi to Bravo, via Bravo, to Hangar 1, 667. Alright, this is one of those tricky taxiway hotspots because this is a runway intersection. And there's the taxiway. Alright, this is the trickiest part. Trickier than the landing. Pulling in here. Coming into my hangar. Alright.
Remember to taxi on the center line coming in here. It's a tight fit between the medevac helicopter and the hangar. I can still hear my primary CFI telling me to put the center line right between my legs to do it right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm eager to make more. For now, there'll probably be solo videos. I'm really looking forward to being able to fly for real family trips again soon, but who knows when that will be practical. Subscribe to my channel to find out.